Manu, what are you doing? Manu, what are you doing in my food? Get out of the food. Manu, what are you doing? Oh my God. Are you trying to find some food? What's in there, Manu? Manu, what are you seeing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh God, it's time to eat again? No, baby, room's closed. Can't go in the room. You can't go in the room, Manu. No. No.